Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing well and you guys are doing okay and obviously staying safe. Um, and yeah, so today, I thought I'd do something a little different, and I have my full complexion done, my eyebrows done, and today I think I've seen this on actually some Instagram posts, and the name is slipping my mind, but I want to play with some Jeffree Star makeup, and unfortunately none of my complexion is his stuff because I haven't gotten it yet. But I have like his lipsticks and his eyeshadows, but I kind of wanted to play maybe some like two different eye looks, but I want to play with his. This is a lot harder than it looks. His lip colors on my eyes, and then obviously my lips. But and then maybe accentuate my cheeks. I don't know yet. But we're just gonna like sit and play and then see how this turns out, and then obviously I'll show you the finished look at the end. So if you want to see this look, continue watching. All right, let's get to it, shall we? So I think I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in Soft Serve, and we're gonna put it on the eye and blend it out. I think what we'll use is the Jeffree Star Morphe collection in JS6, and we'll use that to blend out, just because I honestly don't know how it's gonna be on the brushes, like makeup brushes to put lipstick on, so I don't know, but we're gonna give it a try, shall we? Okay, so let's try it. Yeah, let's do this eye. Put it all over, and then blend it out. I've seen this quite a few times actually, but I hadn't tried it for myself, so I kind of really wanted to give it a shot and play with it. And some of these colors are really pretty, so I was like, oh, I wish there was like an eye color like this. And yeah, apparently you can put it on your eyelids. Who would have thought? Alright, I'm gonna add some more. It's blending out really nicely, by the way, so if you want to try this, give it a shot. But also, I mean, I'm trying this on myself, but if you're not sure, if your skin's super sensitive, maybe try like a patch test and see how your skin will react before putting it on yourself. It's kind of just fun to play with. I've never thought about it. It's really pretty colors. Soft service serving, sis. And then I think I'm gonna use this one. Ooh. Watermelon soda. I really, really, really like this one. I mean, I like all of them. Let's be frank. Now, I don't know. I wanted to try. That's probably not sanitary how I'm doing it. Is it? No. Not at all. Okay, so P.S. Put this on your hand before. Maybe you don't put this. I mean, it's only been on my lips, but don't put this on your eye. Disclaimer. So I'll do that from now on, shall we? Okay. Now I wanted to put this on Supermodel, but this is the matte lipstick, and I just don't know if it's gonna work. and if I can even put it on the eye. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to pick it up with my e.l.f. Concealer brush and see if this even shows up, number one, and if it will even work. So let's see. Oh, it's actually kind of working. That's kind of cool. I didn't think it would. So many pretty pinks. So yeah, disclaimer, don't put it directly on your eye. Maybe use brushes in the back of your hand. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I mean, they're like blending together, obviously, because they're both pinks, but that's kind of pretty sweet. I'm using the other side of the brush, so I don't get lipstick all over. Mix the colors. You can kind of see it, but it's okay. And don't worry, I mean, I'll sanitize this as much as I can, I guess. I mean, I already put it back in there, so, you know. Anyways, I don't know why I'm stressing about that. Just, so, I think we're also going to try something different today. And we're going to, yeah, okay, so we're going to use this, don't worry, the watermelon soda is going on the back of my hand. Not to worry, my friends. I learned from the first time. So then I'm going to take the watermelon soda on the back of my hand. These are the 3 colors, by the way. They're so pretty, right? Okay, and then we're going to put this on the lash line. Now, I've seen someone, or some people put it in the waterline, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm not sure if I want to test those waters yet. Oh, such a pretty color. Loves it. And I apparently am baking for the entire duration of this, so you know. Ooh, oh. Brush is shutting. Those lipsticks stay on. Oh god. Let's hope I can get this off my face. Okay, so now we're gonna try something, guys. We're going to use the Morphe Jeffree Star collection in First Impressions. It's just a lip gloss, guys. Maybe we'll try a gloss lid. We'll see how it goes. Don't know how this is gonna turn out. Also, disclaimer, wash your brushes afterwards to make sure that this stuff doesn't transfer. Pat that on because I don't want to move the color underneath. And a little bit more. It's gonna feel great. That's also gonna be awesome to take off later. Not think that thoroughly through. And wait until it dries too. But that's what it looks like so far. Oh, that's really freaking cool. I think I need to do more glossy eyes. Oh, that's not feel nice on the eye though. Let's see if it'll dry. We're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna do the watermelon soda again, but we're gonna, number one, put it on the back of your hand. And then we're gonna gonna do that on the full lid. That goes on really nicely, I'm not gonna lie. Blends really, really freaking pretty too. I'm gonna keep it simple too. I'm not gonna do too many layers. As you guys know as well, I like to bring it up high just because, you know, why the fuck not? Ooh, that watermelon color, my gosh, it's really freaking pretty. I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Morphe collection and Mannequin. We're going to do this color. We're just going to put that on the bottom line. Also, by the way, these all smell so good. So now my face smells real pretty. And then we're going to take the gloss and Diamond Juice, and we're going to put that on the lid today. On the other side, so you know, why the heck not? Let's do both glitter looks, or gloss looks, because why the heck not? Okay, we're going to do that. Put that over. Now I'm like super scared to get this off my face. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Okay, let's try this one. And guys, this dried down actually pretty good, so I don't feel it as much on this eye now. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna stop that now, Lauren. Yeah, we're gonna leave the cheeks alone because there's a lot of pink. And then we're going to use the Star Crown lip gloss. And, I mean, we're gonna use Morphe Jeffree Star Collection lip gloss and Star Crown. It's kind of like a nudie color, so I'm gonna keep those lips nude. Cool little trick too is you can blend this in to like further than your lip line. Sometimes needs are tricky, and then it kind of just blends into your foundation, and then it just kind of all looks seamless like this. Now I'm just gonna add in a little bit of the gloss. Okay, and now we're gonna add some highlights because baby's gotta highlight this face. We're gonna do the Peppermint Frost Jeffree Star. I found that I got this in the mystery box for Christmas. And I'm gonna use Ugly Sweater, that first one there. So I'm just gonna finish up and put some mascara on, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. How do you like it? Now I have sparkles looking everywhere. I actually really like this look, the two different looks. It's something simple, pink always, and a little barrette I got from my clothing haul. If you haven't seen that video, you should go watch it. But yeah, it was really fun just kind of playing with it and seeing how to work with it, and yeah. Now I will say, disclaimer, that if you're gonna try to gloss lid with glosses, I mean, they have eye glosses out there, but if you don't like the feeling of it like sticking, don't do this. Because it does like stick and it's not the greatest feeling, but it's really pretty because then it's just like a little shine. And also, if you don't like it like creasing, I try to just set it as much as I could, but if you don't like the creasing, I wouldn't suggest it either. I mean, it's fun to try and do something a little bit different. So yeah, I hope you guys really liked it. And if you guys can, please show some love. Let me know if you like it by hitting that thumbs up down below and or comments. And then of course subscribe my beauties so you know when my new videos come out every week. I love you so much. Thanks. Until next time. Bye.